Now, after securing 56 medals on their way to a runner-up finish at last year's CARIFTA Aquatics Championships in Trinidad and Tobago, National Assistant Coach Miguel Jonas has urged the Jamaican swimmers to prepare for a potentially better performance this year. Jonas says the talent pool has increased, especially in the age group of concern, and with the right preparation, the land of wood and water could see some special results.
Right now, I think this is going to be one of the best CARIFTA group that we have been ever selected. Why I said that is because our 15s, 17s are really looking good, and we're always falling short on that age group. But right now we have 40, 15 and overs, and they are really looking good. So yes, we are ready, and you just to go over there and dominate, and just make sure the swimmers have confidence in what they're doing, which we are building that up right now. So just go over there, dominate, have fun, and come with a lot of medals.
The 2026 staging of the CARIFTA Aquatics Championships is scheduled to be hosted in Martinique on Easter weekend.